Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by reproducing the failure. That is non-negotiable. Create a minimal example and run it in an isolated virtual environment or container so you know the problem is the third party. Capture exact version numbers, commit hashes, and the dependency tree output. Once done, save logs and environment specs. This lets you compare fixes reliably and prevents time wasted chasing local configuration differences. You'll move faster when you can reproduce deterministically and share the failing case with others. Next, you isolate the code path and apply a focused patch. Fork or vendorize the third-party library so you control the codebase, then implement an atomic change addressing the root cause. Write unit and integration tests that replicate the failing behavior. Once written, run them locally and in continuous integration. Make small, iterative commits. Test on the same target hardware or runtime to catch platform-specific issues. This disciplined cycle prevents regressions and documents why the change is safe. Finally, deploy the corrected artifact with caution. Prefer canary rollouts or feature flags so you can limit exposure. Monitor logs, latency, memory, and model outputs closely. Compare against baseline metrics to ensure no regressions. If problems reappear, revert quickly, gather traces and diffs, then bisect to identify the offending change. One tip if things go wrong: return to the minimal reproducible example. Use it to triage rapidly and to communicate a precise failure to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.